Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of the National Disaster Management Council and the Permanent Secretary, we welcome you back into our incoming disaster. A brief, as of this morning, the National Disaster Management Council, the National Disaster Management Emergency Committee have met this morning. We've also briefed the Acting Prime Minister, the Honourable Attorney General this morning. And the following is what has been discussed. And as of 8 a.m. this morning, the National Disaster Management Operating Center has been activated. The Divisional Emergency Operations Center has also been activated. This includes the Northern Division, the Central Division, the Eastern Division, as well as the Western Division. The National Emergency Operations Center has been activated on a 24-hour shift. There will be officers available or working on an 8-hour shift to ensure that information that we receive from the ground is circulated, and should the need arise, the emergency first responders will be able to get that information from us. On that same note, for the first time, we acknowledge the disability community who've also activated their Emergency Operations Center based in Brown Street that has been activated as well today. The different Emergency Operations Center that also has been activated, the Fiji Police Force as well as the Fiji Military Forces. All these different Emergency Operations Center will be reporting to your National Emergency Operations Center for information and for needs as of when there is one. In regards to the detailed damage assessment, a deployment team to Laos that was supposed to leave on Monday, this has been deferred due to the incoming weather condition that we have. The decision to deploy the assistance or the food ration for Laos has been deferred to a later date, depending on the weather that will unfold within the next couple of days for us here. With that being said, from your National Emergency Operations Center, the only thing that we have at this point in time is to advise the general public to please adhere to warnings, please adhere to the public advisory that is issued out by our office as well as the Met office, ensure safety for all. Unfortunately, every time we issue warnings, members of the public sometimes take it lightly. We ask you not to take anything lightly when it's issued from the National Disaster Management Office. We ask that you adhere to warnings. If there is strong currents, please do not make an attempt to cross it. If there is any strong winds forecasted for your area, please remain inside. If your evacuation center has been activated, we ask that you move to your evacuation center as of when it's activated before it gets stuck. If you need to have assistance from the different Divisional Emergency Operations Center, the information on the phone number that they have will be published on our different social media platform. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what we have for you this afternoon.